Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to pay with Cash App on Roblox. So this is very easy to do. Just first open up your Roblox website or app and then log in your account. Once you have logged in, you have to go to the shop. Just click on this Roblox icon and then click on this buy Roblox button, and then this going to show you this page. So from here you have to select the number of Robux that you want to purchase. You can choose any of them. Just click on, and now once you click on any of them, it will redirect you to this page. From here you can use all any of this payment method. First is credit card, debit card, PayPal, or Roblox card. So to pay with your Cash App, you need to have a Cash App card. So what you need to do is just go to the card tab on your Cash App home screen. Then you have to click on get your free card, then click on continue, and you have to follow some steps to get your Cash App card. So you just have to provide your informations, your home address, and then your Cash App card will be delivered to your home. Once you have your Cash App card, you can choose this debit card option from here, and then from here you have to just wait. Now on this page you have to enter your card number, expiration date, and CVV, and enter all of these details, and then click on this continue button, and then your you will be able to purchase your Robux coin with your Cash App. So if this video was helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel.